Oh guys, today we're gonna be taking apart the ES7. This is not gonna be a new replacement. See what it looks like from the inside. Let's take the case out of it. Mike, can you hold the camera? Whose blood was that? Whose blow dryer?
Oh.
Is it me? Is the blow dryer right here? We're gonna use. Okay, guys, let's start the video. See, it's black. Okay, guys. Look, guys.
I'm trying to think where I should take it off from.
Want me to get the tools?
Yeah.
Want me to get the tools I have in my room? Like those, like they came with the S4 one.
Yes.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna put the camera until we get all the stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, now we have. Sorry, guys, we're not. My mom's not here. That's because my sister wanted to go on the treadmill, and now it's. Ideally, this is not a replacement. Well, we're gonna see if we need a digitizer or a new screen. We didn't buy anything for this. I don't know what's going on, but we're just going to check, see if it's really the digitizer on the screen. See,
Okay.
finally I'm back.
Finally, I'm back. Okay, let's get
Yes.
start heating up one side of this. Okay.
Okay.
I think did I turn the switch on over there? Oh, turn on that first switch over there. Yeah.
Guys, get every clap. How many minutes are we going to blow dryer?
Well, just for like a couple minutes.
That's not hot as a heat gun.
Yeah, it's not as hot as a heat gun, so.
It's still very hot.
Yeah.
See, it'll be still hot.
It'll still be hot.
See, if this is hot enough.
Let me see if I can.
Let's see.
If I can. It's not quite releasing yet.
Well, it looks like you're getting it. You just have to go in deeper. Oh, looks like you're getting it. Flat?
Yeah. Watch your face. I have the sharp thing.
It just vibrated. I think you pressed the power button.
Probably.
Oh. Gosh.
It warmed up the adhesive so it's cutting.
But that means the screw. Oh.
I don't know if it was supposed to be that side though.
Guys, literally, we just made another lift up.
I just don't want to cut myself.
Let's see this whip. The phone is super hot. Can you feel it?
No, it's not that hot. It's already cooling down.
Cut carefully. I can't believe I'm cutting.
Watch your fingers, Dada.
Mike, you want to cut it?
I'm just trying to do it really carefully so I don't cut my finger off.
Oh, probably you should do it on that side.
But why does it look weird?
What?
Why does it look weird right there?
The flame.
Is that the right?
Oh.
What is that opening though? That's just like the back glass of the phone. Can you check my phone?
It's Dad. Hello? Yes, we're just taking apart the Galaxy S7.
What are you doing, Dada?
We're just taking apart a phone.
You put it on pause a minute so I can put on pause a second.
Where's Mama?
I'm right here. No. Mama will do it. Hold on. Put that on pause for a second so I can talk.
Guys, we were not quite. We didn't open it yet. That's because we're just taking the glass off. See, it does have more glass lift. If it's battery problem, digitizer on the LCD, or a screen problem. Look, it vibrates. It vibrates still. See, it vibrates. It doesn't want to turn on. I don't know what this is. That's because this is I have a USB-C charger. That's because not when I plug it in, it doesn't show anything. What? Even I'm plugging it. I thought I fish it plugging it. Guys, look, if I plug it in, it still vibrates. If I'm trying to plug it in, look, see, look, it doesn't even charge. No battery sample, no logo, nothing. The digitizer just died. Wait. Yes, I dropped it at my nana's house on the concrete bit on the rocks.
Find a suction cup real quick still.
Okay, guys, let's find a suction cup. Look. I swore it doesn't need anything. We'll just... Oh, guys, this back camera is falling off. Look. Look, it comes up easy. Look. Oh, this back. Look. I can even turn on the back plate. Some of the other phones, they're supposed to open like this. Look, they're supposed to open it like this. Look, they're even. See, look, it just comes right off. It just comes right off. Look. Oh, this back plate this is always going to fall off. It shows the word symbol, look. No sign, look. With no plugged in sign. No nothing. Nothing. I didn't see any logo. Look. The lights only work. This light works, this one works, and this one works. They're the only, it's like the screen is good to, I don't know which problem is inside of it. That's because this is actually the old thing. I broke my favorite model. It wasn't my fault to block the phone. Yep, my S4 is 16 gigabyte. Guys, if you want to look at your tab, look. Just look at that sign and it says your gigabyte. Yeah, 16 made in China. Do that. So that's the problem. This one works perfectly fine. What is this? Look, it vibrated 2 times. Look, it vibrates when I'm in the charger. It vibrated a few times. Look, even this. What, vibrated again? What's going on with the vibrator? What's going on with the vibrator? Man, vibrators are really good. That's because the vibrator is just telling you it's broken.
I can't find anything. I need something to lift it, and I don't have anything.
Just try.
I'll try one more time, but it's not. I can't get it to lift.
We're just lifting the glass off. Man, we're just lifting the glass off of the phone.
I know, but it's not coming up high enough. Because it's pulling that apart, and I don't want that. Get it in here quick. See, it's not coming up high enough. See, it's not coming up, Dominic. I need something, because it's just taking this off. This metal stuff. See, it's just separating that.
Mommy.
I ran for 30 minutes, or I mean, I burned 30 calories off.
Oh well, I'm just gonna mess up the back then.
That's okay. Ooh. Whoa.
It's annoying.
Ooh. Wait. I don't know. I don't know about this. I think we just broke the glass panel.
No, I didn't break it. It just has this cheap fake silver in it.
Imagine. Can we replace the back? We could probably replace it since it has been like this.
You can just throw some film in it. You don't need to. This stuff wasn't coming off.
That was the old glass's fault.
Yeah, it's just like cheap, whatever the heck they put in there.
I think from the flame lifting.
Look at.
Remember the flame was lifting up. That's why it did
It
that.
was messed up in the first place.
Guys, finally I get it open.
Yeah,
I'll get a bowl for to put the screws in.
I'm not even worried about this stuff.
I'll help you peel it off. That was the it was just the own glass. It was just the own glass's fault. It was just the phone's fault. Yeah.
Well, I do need to take this stuff off.
Oh boy. Guys, nothing shocked us. I didn't get super scared. That's because look at the glass pan. It shows the Verizon logo still.
See, stuff is messy. Jeez.
Jeez, I think we need something. But guys, it's okay. Don't do it. Guys, I don't know about this. Want me to scrape the glass off? Want me to help you?
No. It's just stuck on. Look at this. It's just like flaking. You're in front of the camera.
What?
You're in front of the camera. It was like burnt or something.
Ah. Oh boy. Nothing shocked us. That's because seriously, when I found the camera, seriously.
This stuff is messy.
Yeah, it was just the glasses. It was just the glass fault.
Oh my goodness. This stuff is a mess.
That's because the flame was lifting up in the first place.
Yeah, just sticking to everything. You okay, Mia?
Yeah. What you doing?
What you doing?
I'm watching you guys. What are you doing? Can you put the phone?
You see this adhesive strip around it? It's just stuck to it.
Adhesive strip?
Adhesive?
Adhesive? Why are you using my blow dryer?
Because it was right there. Jesus, this is a hot mess.
That's because I know this is a fragile back. My S4 never has a glass panel.
I mean, the back is fine. It just is like all...
That's okay. I don't care.
This isn't broken. It's just it was stuck on there.
It just
So the phone turned off for no reason?
no. It was just broken in the first place.
Well, it got dropped.
Yeah. Yep.
Dominic.
Yeah.
Mama, pick a number 1 through 10.
7.
I have to work for 7 hours, Mom?
7 hours?
Yeah, Mom.
That's a typical work day. A lazy work day. This adhesive strip, see, it's like...
Oh, the phone. Jeez, this is the craziest I ever seen in my taking apart videos.
Well, I mean, all the antennas and stuff are running along here, so I gotta get this stuff off.
Dominic, help me.
Or at least...
I don't know. Just click another one. Just click the right side.
Where, right here?
I don't know how to do it.
You try.
No, I can't. I don't know.
So I can even be able to access all of these screws.
I'll get a bowl for you.
Dominic, why are you going in the bathroom?
No, I'm just grabbing a bowl. Guys, nothing like a word about the phone. Guys.
It's like all these little screws hiding in here under this film.
Mom, why is the computer not letting me log into the thing?
I'm not sure.
Do I just have to give it a second?
You'll have to show me.
Like, you know how you put in the password?
Oh my gosh. So this one, we need to throw this all in the trash.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to dump it. Can you bring Mama the trash can over there, please?
This is for the screws, Mommy. This is for the screws.
Oh, yeah, let's get all this junk cleaned off and clean our area real quick.
Make sure you don't hurt the phone.
I'm not, Daddy. Can you bring Mommy the trash and I'll dump this all really quick in the trash can?
Here. Here, Mommy.
Okay.
Here, Mom.
Thank you. Let's just...
This one was the most hairy. Say this is so crazy. Say it.
Yeah, this phone is very interesting and crazy.
See, this phone is so fragile. Wait, say this is a fragile plate. This is
very fragile.
This is very strong. It has a very strong plate. Say it.
Yeah, it's a very strong plate.
I think your phone is more stronger.
Okay, let me see what we got going here. Oh, more of this stuff. Seriously.
Seriously, this phone.
So, what do we have here that looks like antennas and stuff?
What do you do?
It's okay. The phone was.
What is it doing? It's not booting up.
You know, like the screen, maybe.
Just hit escape. Is it doing anything? Just press and hold that button. Let it hard reboot. It looks like it's looping and it's stuck.
Huh?
It just looks like it's stuck. Just do a hard reboot.
Is that and then turn it on?
Nah, just press the power button, press and hold it. Count to 20 or something. Till it shuts all the way down.
It shuts all the way down.
And then wait a minute or two.
Yeah.
Mom, I think this is covers the battery from falling out. Mom, this is a 32 gigabyte.
Mama,
I don't even remember.
It's not doing anything again.
Here.
Guys, this is the coolest thing on my...
Mama,
Yes, baby.
what's this? Look.
This thing protects the battery, you said, Dominic?
Yeah, I think so. See?
Mama,
There's a little cupboard.
Mm-hmm.
There is this to keep it from...
Yep, there's that.
There's that.
What, Mia?
Mama, look.
Turn on this as like keyboard F7 turn. Say no. You hit something.
Do I shut it down again?
Hmm?
Do I shut it down again?
No, is it gonna boot up?
What is it boot up? Mama, what's that?
Is it turning on?
It already did turn on. Because it's not working and I press escape.
I know, did you shut it down all the way?
Yeah?
All the way shut down?
Mm-hmm. Should I do it again? Gonna wait longer?
Mm-hmm. This stuff is really in the way.
Mom,
Okay.
guys, a peace out.